Actually, yung subdivision is maganda and very promising yung mga susunod na dinedevelop na areas. And then, para ka na sa isang one-stop shop. I mean, nandun na lahat. May church, may parang industrial zone or commercial zone. Tapos, andun na rin may school, may malapit na hospital, may police station, tsaka, yan, nandiyan na rin. Nandiyan na rin yung mga bahay. So, parang pwede mo siyang lakarin. Pwede ka lang umikot. At sa same time, makakatulong pa yun sa health mo na mag-lose ng weight.
Siguro ang map advice namin is first thing dapat makita nila yung development. Then they have to see to themselves na kung ano yung makikita nila in the future. Probably, tsaka promising naman yung lugar. Development is good. The house is relaxing and stress-free environment and communities as well as the site.
Tsaka yung security, it's okay, very, very okay.
Okay.
Actually, kung ako yung pumipiliin, I go for the Alexandra.
Okay, bakit
or
po?
Margaret. Kasi yun ang gusto ko sa Margaret is yung place ng kitchen sa baba. And then yung
master bedroom.
Yan.
Side CR.
Yan. Then, tapos sa Alexandra, gusto kasi yung malawak sa bahay.
Okay.
So, yung space ng Alexandra, it's really great.
Okay, sige po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong time.
Salamat.
Okay, thank you po ulit. Salamat.